welcome everybody. My name is Savage, and today we're going to be having a look at Ethereum against its USDT pair. Thank you for watching this video. If you'd like to show your support, please hit that like and subscribe button below. If you haven't already, feel free to comment with any feedback you may have. While you're down there, you can find a link to our Discord. This is where the magic happens. We have AMAs with the whole team twice a week, live chart analysis daily, Elliott wave theory lessons, TA requests for our members, and a whole list of other things going on in there. Why not come have a look? Once in the general chat area, just mention a member of staff and we'll be happy to help you out. Also in the description below, you'll find an affiliate link to our BYBIT. This is one of the best exchanges in our opinion. Whether you want to leverage trade or just spot trade, it's a great exchange to use. Okay, so let's get into the price action now. And we're having a look at this. There's a few options here. And until we cross above this 1,291 and this 1,350 area, I'm still looking at the potential of extensions within here. There's a 5-wave move you can count on here. It doesn't break any rules, so we just need to be mindful of that. That could just be an A, a B, and a C completed, which is fine. But until we get some kind of a confirmation, I'm just keeping that in mind. So we have this potential move here as an ABC to the upside, this orange ABC, which would potentially take us to this 1,292 area. And that would be looking at this as a zigzag move to the top here. This C wave, should it move up there, would invalidate that first extension potential, and at that point it would look more likely that the other option is playing out anyway. But should this fall short of this line, then we'd have to still be on the lookout for a deeper drop off of there and that being part of an extension. So within the current move here, we have these back-to-back 5-wave moves. So I'm looking at this as an A, a B, and a C downwards, though it's possible that this could be a zigzag to the downside. And what we'd be looking for then is not to move above this 1,235 area. If we move above this area, then this green ABC would be invalidated. So we could see this develop as a 5-wave, come deep, and then develop as another 5-wave move, which fails to break above this 1235 area. If that happens, then I'd be looking at this as an A, a B, and a C to the downside. If we move above there, we would then be able to confirm that this is part of the previous move, and then we'd look at the other analysis that we're going to have a look at now. If we do just start to roll over here and we just this fourth and fifth fail to play out and this move breaks down and we lose the lows at I think it's 1251, so 1151, then we would be looking at potential for this to break down. And if we had to break down past the 1086 area, then effectively we'd be looking at a 3-wave move to the downside. So I'm going to jump over to the other option now, and this is what we're looking at. So this option is looking at the green ABC here to the upside. So looking at it as a flat correction currently. So we would have been looking for either it's going to be a 3-3 and a 3, and then it's just going to be a complex move here, or we could be looking for a 5-wave move to develop off of this move here, and then it would be a flat. And the current 1-to-1 of that is at 1352, though based off of this first move here, the actual size of this would be bigger in my opinion, because we would this impulsive trigger would be already up here at 1399. So looking at these moves, looking at the same thing effectively, crossing below this 1151 area would invalidate this orange ABC potential. If I go down into the smaller time frames, we'll see that we're still tracking the potential of this 4th wave. So that would be, it could still need to come down a little bit, this 4th wave, and then potentially target out maybe this lower region here. It can't go lower than this 1,184. If it does, that invalidates that 5th wave, and then we would have to just look at this as a completed move here. And this ABC could still potentially play out. Alternatively, the ABC down that we looked at previously could play out too. Okay, so I'm going to move over to this other chart here, because this is looking at it in a bit more detail. So this I'm tracking for an ABC to the upside in a zigzag formation, and effectively if we develop this as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into these highs, then we'd be looking for a retracement into this 1188 area to 1161 area for potential B wave or wave 2. If we retrace into this zone and we move up past this 1309 area, that would then mark an impulsive structure, and we'd be looking at this as a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 up into this zone, and that would just be a zigzag to the upside. Though if this move extends and we move higher and we cross this 1399 area, then we'd be looking at this as a bigger 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Obviously, that third wave would be higher up there. But until we get confirmation, we have to just watch what the waves are doing. If this does just develop as an ABC, I'd be mindful that there could be some kind of a triangle in here where we have, let me find it, where's it gone? Oh, there it is. This is a, B, form a C wave, then would D and an E. Though we would only get confirmation on this D wave touch point, so a zigzag down in that D would only get confirmation then. And effectively then we'd be looking to drop off the back of this kind of a move. So that's all the things that I'm looking out for at the moment. We have the confirmation, the invalidation points. Yeah, in any kind of a move past 1075 would invalidate any kind of impulsive potential off the current structure we have. So if we lose that point, then all these other options are null and void. So I hope you found the video useful. If you have any feedback that you want to give, drop it down in the comment section below. And I hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video. Cheers. Keep it safe out of there, everyone.